Okay. Began to take out the old motor out, so I'm getting there. Took out the headers, unbolted the fuel pump out of there, the mounts. I took out the bolts, hoses, radiator. This is out. Basically, what's left will be the transmission bolts and the torque converter bolts. Keeping the TH350 in it. What's going back in here will be the LS60 or the LQ4. Putting a 2500 stall on it. So I may sell this motor right here, might not. Got to think about that. It was running perfect. Just doesn't have enough power for me, man. Just need a little bit more power. Yep, a couple of days, this thing will be out. Next time you probably see it, you'll see it with the new engine in it. So, all right, fellas, peace out.